In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Outlook tasks. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what is Outlook tasks? So Outlook tasks help you keep track of things you need to do. They can be simple reminders, detailed to-do lists, or recurring tasks with deadlines. Now, first step is to go ahead and open up outlook.live.com and sign into your account. Now, once you've signed into your account, if we navigate to the left-hand side, we've got a whole bunch of options here. So go ahead and click on the to-do tab, and this is basically tasks. Now once this loads up, we can go ahead and create a new task. So from here it will say create new task in the default task list. So from here I'm going to say put out washing just for demonstration, and then under here we can, when is this due, today, tomorrow, next week, or pick a date. If you pick a date, you can go and choose a date. So say on Sunday I would like to do that, and then we can set a reminder, so later today, tomorrow, next week, or pick a date and time. So if you want to pick a date, say Saturday, remind myself at 6 p.m. and then we can also keep this on repeat if you want to do this weekly, hang out my washing weekly. Now from here on the far right, it's going to have a little add button. Go ahead and click onto add, and now tasks will now appear in my day or their due dates. And now once we're inside of here, we can see tasks. This is the one we put out, so if you want to go ahead, we can click it and click completed once you've done that. And also we've got a little star here. If this is important, you go ahead and star that as well. And on the top here, we can look at this at grid view or list view, depending on any tasks you got. And we can also sort this by importance, due date added to my day, alphabetically creation date. And we can also group by if you've got any categories as well.